Alright, so about 5:30 now, about an hour into it. Big gust of winds here. Wind was up, logged up again, really gusting. Rain's still pretty constant. Nothing too severe yet though, still looking pretty good. Probably around 20-25. Getting some, but not a whole heck of a lot. Don't see any major concerns quite yet. We got some doors flew open here, back in the dumpster area. These aren't that secure anyway, so no real big there. Put these back together, see if we can keep this down. Yeah, seem to get it back in the hole here. Bend it up here. Maybe we'll keep that out. Hopefully it will stay. Well, no real developments yet, Sandy. Rain's coming down pretty good. Gust here, but nothing much, so we'll give it some more time. We'll check back in with you. Signing out.